Why could a pharaoh rule effortlessly for decades, commanding abundance, divine favor, and unshakable vision? The answer lies not in their crown, but in the sacred geometry of their breath. Deep beneath the shifting sands of Giza, locked within chambers sealed for millennia, lies a secret so potent it shaped the destiny of empires. Recently decoded hieroglyphs, hidden in plain sight near the Sphinx, reveal the true source of the pharaoh's unimaginable power. Not just gold or armies, but a forbidden breath ritual. This isn't myth, Codex explorers. This is the decoded key to quantum manifestation. The same key wielded by rulers who commanded reality itself, building monuments that defy time. For 3,000 years, this 9-breath sequence was guarded within the Great Pyramid's resonance chambers, accessible only to the initiated. Today, that veil lifts. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn the precise forbidden ritual Egyptian masters used to rewire their subconscious mind and manifest their deepest desires into tangible reality, often in just 72 hours. This is ancient Egyptian magic meets modern neuroscience hacking. Breathe deep, your reality is about to shift. The pyramids weren't just tombs, they were colossal frequency generators tuned to the Earth's energy grid. Pharaohs didn't just pray to the gods, they became conduits for cosmic energy through precise breath control. Recent excavations near Abydos uncovered temple texts explicitly detailing the 9 winds of Sekhem, 9 breaths channeling the life force energy, the Ka, directly from the cosmos. Think about it. While slaves toiled, pharaohs practiced this ritual, aligning their personal sacred geometry with the pyramid's power vortex. This is why a single decree from the throne could reshape nations. This is why their wealth seemed limitless, their visions prophetic. It wasn't mere privilege, it was conscious reality creation mastered through the lungs. They understood what modern science confirms. Your breath is the master switch for your nervous system, the direct dial to your subconscious programming. Forget vague affirmations. The pharaohs used a structured sequence of 9 breaths divided into 3 sacred triads, each unlocking a deeper layer of manifestation potential. This is the forbidden knowledge buried by time until now. The sacred protocol begins. Prepare your sacred space. Sit upright, spine like the Jed pillar, stable, connecting earth and sky. Place your hands gently on your knees, palms open to receive. Close your eyes. We begin the ritual. This is the activation of Ka, the life force essence. Breath 1 through 3, awakening the Ka, life force activation. Think of your energy system right now like a smartphone that's been running all day with every app open. Your battery's at 20%, everything's glitchy, and you can barely get a text to send. That's most people's life force, drained, scattered, running on empty. These first 3 breaths are like force closing all those background apps and plugging into a wireless charger. You're about to flush out every bit of stagnant energy that's been clogging your manifestation pipeline. Inhale deeply, slowly, through your nose for a count of 4. This isn't just breathing, you're becoming a lightning rod. Visualize pure golden light, the solar energy of Ra himself, flooding down from the crown of your head like honey being poured into a jar. This light carries the frequency of unlimited possibility, washing through every cell of your body. As you inhale, slowly raise your hands from your knees, palms facing up, like you're scooping invisible golden coins from the universe. Feel yourself drawing energy from Geb, the earth god, below you. Your feet are root systems tapping into the planet's electromagnetic field. Your hands are satellite dishes receiving cosmic downloads. Hold this breath for a count of 2 at the peak. This pause is critical. It's like holding down the power button to restart your entire energy operating system. Feel the Ka, your life force, igniting within your solar plexus like a pilot light suddenly roaring into a bonfire. This is your personal sun awakening. Now comes the magic. exhale forcefully, completely through your mouth for a count of 6. This isn't just releasing air, you're launching an energetic rocket that carries away everything that's been blocking you. Visualize stagnant energy, doubt, that voice that says not enough, dissolving like sugar in hot tea. As you exhale, lower your hands back to your knees, palms pressing down like you're pushing toxic energy into the earth to be recycled. Feel it leaving through your palms, through your feet, like unplugging a dirty drain. Repeat this cycle 3 times. By breath 3, you should feel like someone just installed new batteries in your entire being. That scattered low-vibe energy that was running your life 5 minutes ago, it's been replaced by premium fuel. Your inner Nile, that river of life force the pharaohs knew how to navigate, is now flowing at full power. Breath 4 to 6, channeling Horus, vision, manifestation. If the first 3 breaths were cleaning house, the next 3 are interior decorating with your dreams. You've cleared the static, now you're tuning into your personal manifestation radio station with crystal clear reception. Think of your third eye like Netflix's recommendation algorithm. Right now it's probably suggesting reruns of your current reality. The same job, same bank balance, same relationship patterns. But what if you could hack that algorithm to start streaming your dream life instead? Shift your focus to your third eye, the seat of divine sight. This isn't some mystical nonsense. Neuroscience confirms this area, your pineal gland, is literally light sensitive and produces the same compounds found in deep spiritual experiences. Inhale deeply through the nose for a count of 5. As you inhale, bring both hands up to your forehead, fingertips touching lightly between your brows, the sacred Eye of Horus position. You're creating a circuit, turning your head into a satellite dish pointed directly at your desired reality. Here's where most people mess up manifestation. They visualize like they're watching a boring documentary about someone else's life. Not you. As you breathe in, see your specific burning desire as vividly as your favorite movie playing in IMAX. But don't just watch it, step into it. Feel the leather steering wheel of that car you want. Smell the ocean breeze from the balcony of your dream home. Hear your bank account notification pinging with that deposit. Feel the weight of success in your chest, the pride in your parents' eyes, the security of never worrying about money again. Make it so real your subconscious can't tell the difference between imagination and memory. Hold this vision and breath for a powerful count of 4. This is the sweet spot where your brainwaves shift from the chaos of daily thinking into the alpha frequencies where your subconscious mind opens like a flower. Feel that image burning into your mental hard drive like a brand on leather. Exhale slowly, smoothly through your nose for a count of 7. As you release, you're not letting go of the dream, you're sending it out into the quantum field like a heat-seeking missile that's locked onto its target. You're uploading your order to the universe's fulfillment center, trusting in Ma'at's divine order to process and deliver. Keep your hands at your third eye throughout this entire triad like you're holding a precious gemstone. Repeat 3 times. With each cycle, your vision becomes more vivid, more real, more inevitable. You're not hoping for it anymore, you're remembering it from your future. You are commanding reality with the falcon's vision of Horus himself. Breath 7 through 9, sealing with Thoth, wisdom integration. The final triad is like signing a cosmic contract with the universe. You've cleaned house, you've placed your order. Now you're sealing the deal with the wisdom of Thoth, the god who invented writing and knew the power of making things official. Think of this like the difference between wanting something and knowing you already have it. It's the difference between hoping your Amazon package arrives and getting the delivery confirmation. This is where desire transforms into certainty, where visualization becomes manifestation. The technique. Bring your hands down, crossing them over your heart center, left hand over right. This is the embrace of Isis, the seal of Thoth's wisdom. You're creating a sacred vault around your heart, the electromagnetic powerhouse that generates a field 60 times stronger than your brain. Your heart isn't just a pump, it's a broadcasting station. When you breathe into your heart space, you're transmitting your desires on the most powerful radio frequency in your body, the frequency that connects you directly to the unified field where all possibilities exist. Inhale gently, peacefully, through your nose for a count of 6. Feel the energy of your desire, now supercharged with cosmic intelligence, flowing from your head down into your heart like warm honey. This isn't wanting anymore. This is knowing. Feel the absolute certainty that your manifestation is already done in the higher realms, just waiting for the perfect timing to materialize in 3D reality. Hold this breath for a deep, silent count of 8. This is the integration chamber where magic happens. 8 seconds is the sweet spot where your CO2 levels rise just enough to flood your brain with oxygen-rich blood, shifting you into the theta brainwave state, the same frequency measured in master manifestors, deep meditators, and people having life-changing epiphanies. In this 8-second pause, sense the perfect timing and path unfolding. See the invisible gears of the universe clicking into place, aligning circumstances, people, and opportunities like a cosmic Rubik's Cube solving itself. Feel the wisdom of Thoth whispering the perfect strategy directly into your cells. Exhale infinitely slowly through barely parted lips for a count of 10. This extended exhale is like slowly closing a vault door, sealing the entire ritual into every atom of your being. As you breathe out, feel profound peace and unshakable certainty washing over you like warm sunlight. Your desire is no longer floating around in wishful thinking. It's locked into your energy signature like a fingerprint. Repeat 3 times. By the final exhale, you should feel like a pharaoh who just issued a decree that will reshape the kingdom. There's no doubt, no anxiety, no wondering if it will work. You've just activated the same reality creation technology that built civilizations. Why does this ancient forbidden knowledge trigger such rapid quantum manifestation? Modern science illuminates the magic. The specific 4-2-6-5-4-7-6-8-10 rhythm isn't random. It's a precision neuroscience hack for your autonomic nervous system. The extended exhales and holds powerfully activate your parasympathetic nervous system, completely shutting down the stress response that blocks manifestation like a closed door. When you're in fight or flight mode, your subconscious treats every desire like a threat to survival. These breathing patterns flip that switch, opening the manifestation gateway. The critical 8-second hold during the Thoth sealing is pure brainwave wizardry. Research confirms sustained breath holds after inhalation significantly increase CO2 tolerance, safely elevating CO2 levels and causing cerebral vasodilation. More oxygen-rich blood floods your prefrontal cortex and limbic system, forcing a shift from chaotic beta brainwaves into transcendent alpha and theta states, the exact frequencies where your subconscious mind becomes hyper-receptive and directly connected to the quantum field where possibilities crystallize into reality. The 72-hour activation window isn't mystical timing, it's biology. This ritual creates a coherent energy signature, your personal manifestation frequency. Neuroscience shows it takes approximately 48 to 72 hours for new neural pathways seeded by such intense altered states to integrate and begin influencing perception and behavior. Ancient Egyptian cosmology revered this 3-day cycle as the rhythm of death, transformation, and rebirth, the same pattern your reality follows when you command it with precision. This is the reality creation technology the elite have guarded for millennia. Within 72 hours of performing this ritual with focused intent, watch doors swing open, opportunities materialize, and synchronicities guide you like an invisible hand moving chess pieces. Knowledge without action is sand through your fingers. Commit to this 9-breath ritual daily for 7 days. Morning sets your frequency, evening programs your subconscious during sleep. Consistency is your Ankh key. Your dream life awaits on the other side of this breath. Share your 72-hour breakthrough below. Your testimony anchors the magic. What will you manifest? The power is transferred. Breathe like a god. Command your reality. Sekhem.